Okay, here we are at Menards. We just bought all of our carpet. We also bought the padding, and then of course we bought the track strips as well. We're gonna get started on finally putting the flooring down in the basement. We're home. Look what we bought. Carpet and padding for the basement. We're gonna carry it down there. Of course it just rained, so we're walking down in the mud, but we're gonna carry it downstairs. What's the dimensions of the carpet that we got?
This is 12 by 20.
Okay. And so it begins. Putting down the padding right now for the carpet. We did get the kind, it's 75 cents a square foot, and it's got kind of that plastic layer on top of it, all cloth on the bottom. That way if you spill something, it doesn't actually get the foam pad wet. And he also got down our first tack strip. This is that stuff that I remember as a kid when I would run, stepping on those things. Ugh. All right, we're ready for carpet. That was pretty fast. Just throw it on there and pretty much use the box blade to cut it. But we know theoretically that you're supposed to have your hard floor down first before you put carpet. But unfortunately, the hard floor is on back order and we're not going to get that for a while. So we're just going ahead and putting the carpet on because we want to continue to make progress. So here we are. And believe it or not, we've actually never put carpet down. We always tear carpet out and put hard floors down, or on our old house where we did put carpet in part of the basement, it actually came with free install. So this is our first time laying it. We're not experts, but John, James's twin, that's James. John's at home. He'll be here tomorrow. But anyway, John's twin has laid down carpet many times, so he's going to help James tomorrow. We got the carpet out. This is not actually the color that we wanted. The color we wanted was out of stock, but this will work. I like that it's the multicolored carpet because I feel like it hides dirt and stains better, and it's really soft carpet. So we're just gonna start cutting the pieces now. We got the carpet rolled out here, as you can tell. I think I'm gonna like the color of it. Looks pretty good. We did totally booger up the wall over there with the bottom of the carpet. Oh well, I can paint it and fix it later, but we're gonna start cutting it. You look like a gorilla. We got this piece cut, and we cut the piece for over there. It's rolled up over there. So I think that's a wrap for tonight.
Doing a little bit of an update since I haven't filmed anything. I wanted to get this side done so I can start laying the tack strips for when my brother gets here. We can just kind of go at it. But the my stapler is a little weak for this, so I think my brother's going to bring his pneumatic stapler. I'm surprised I don't have one yet, but I don't. But I've stapled the bottoms for now, and it's decently tight. So, and I got seams right here, which I've done decent at hiding them, but I'm no professional. It's the first time I've ever done carpet, so this is the steps, and I'm gonna have to cut a piece for that, so I'm not sure how that'll play out, but so far it's not looking too bad. I got a seam here I need to tack down. None of that's tacked, but I'm gonna start laying tack strips and padding over here. I just swap it out. It's nice and clean. These tack strips are peel and stick. I asked Menards if they actually work, because everything that I've ever seen has been either nailed or even drilled into the concrete and screwed. So he says that they should work, but I did pick up Tapcons just in case we do have issues, and I'll screw them down. So here we go. Okay, so I got the base completely wrapped, and it wasn't too hard. I'm pretty happy with all of my seams. I got a seam like right in here, except for this one right here. This was the only one that bothers me. And I might be able to squeeze it a little bit closer together to get rid of it. You can see it a little bit there, but all the seams on the steps blend in quite nicely. So you can't hardly see any of them. Turned out pretty good though. You can see I got a little electrical outlet there. I got a wire up, and I got it back there. It's hot to there. It's all wire nutted off. Eventually I'll splice that to where it juices this one. But it turned out nice. I'm waiting for my brother now to show up. He should be here any minute, and we're gonna start putting the carpet down in here and stretching it out. Okay, we're down in the basement. I'm here with John today, my twin brother, and he is a carpet expert. I'm just kidding. He's only done like 3 rooms in his house, but he had some of the tools to do it. So we got the carpet laid out here, and we're just now starting to kick, cut, and tuck. So he's kind of showing me how to go about doing it, but I'm just going to set up a time lapse just because we ain't professionals. We just wanted to get this in today, not have to wait for a contractor to come out here. So okay, the carpet's installed. There's the main head honcho there. Got the carpet down. No real bubbles that we're concerned about, so we feel like it went pretty good. Now I still got to end up cutting this, and I'll stretch it once we put a hard floor here. We're thinking we're going to go with vinyl. We just haven't. Most everything needs to be is on back order, so we'll work on that a little bit later. But everything looks pretty good.